Hello guys. Today, I caught fish under the sea. This is my first catch. A blue swimming crab. Look. It looks very angry and is trying to pinch. Wow. Look, there's another crab, it's hiding in the sand. Let's catch it. Do you know what crab this is?